Hey friends, welcome to Uttara Srini's Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Are you a tea lover? Well, watch this video till the end to find the perfect tea for you. Last year, during our vacation in India, we tried this amazing tea, which was flavorful and creamy. So in this video, I'm going to share a flavorful Irani tea recipe. Let's take a look onto the ingredients to make chai tea. Are you wondering why I'm saying chai tea? Well, watch this video till the end without skipping to understand and find out. Tea leaves, whole milk. I'm using 6.3% fat milk. Cardamom, ginger, sugar. Pound ginger and cardamom using a mortar and pestle. Take a small bowl. Put a white cloth and make a well inside. Use a rubber band to secure the cloth or use a thread to tie the cloth. Add tea powder, pounded ginger and cardamom, and add 1 cup of water and mix well. Fill Instant Pot inner pan with 2 cups of water. Place the tea bowl on Instant Pot trivet and place inside the Instant Pot. Cover and pressure cook on high pressure for 5 minutes. Allow the pressure to release naturally. Boil milk in a pan. Simmer for 5 minutes. Allow milk to coagulate. Once pressure releases naturally, open Instant Pot and remove the trivet. Slowly remove and squeeze tea. Reserve coagulated milk to top the chai before serving. Add this strong tea extract to simmering milk and bring it to a boil. Add sugar and mix well. Transfer to serving cup and top with reserved coagulated milk. A long time ago, a friend of mine came over to my house. I asked her, "Would you like to drink anything?" She said, "Can I have some chai tea?" I said, "Chai tea is the same as tea. Would you like tea?" And she said, "No, I want chai tea. All Indians have chai tea at their house. Do you not have it?" I said, "Yes, I do have it, but chai is the same thing as tea, and tea is the same thing as chai. If you go to a bakery, do you ask for a cookie biscuit? No, right?" And she was like, "Oh, I understand. But do you still have some chai tea?" Enjoy this tea with a movie, fruitcake and cookies, and your loved ones. If you have any recipe requests, comment down below and we'll be happy to make them. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell to receive our updates. Catch you soon in our next video. Bye!